You know, this cube is small enough for a magic trick. Ta-da! Okay, maybe that was obvious. This is the CubeLab 1 centimeter Rubik's Cube. It is being advertised as the smallest cube, but that is not actually true. The world record for the smallest Rubik's Cube ever made is actually about half of this size. But I think this is technically the smallest cube if you're talking about the smallest one you can buy. Let's open this up. Uh-oh. Come on, little fella, you're freed from your cage. Oh, that is small. Okay, let's try some turns. I may not do algorithms because I can only do like one turn at a time. Ooh, this feels weird. It feels sort of tight, like high friction. I can't tell if that's the cube itself or if it's the way I'm applying the force to it. I can't turn accurately. It's because it's not magnetic. This is a 56 millimeter cube, which is the standard size. This is 54 millimeters. This is a small 30 millimeter cube. And then there's this. For how small this is, I'm really impressed by how accurate the stickers are put on. If you've seen the world record cube, that one was handcrafted, so the stickers obviously were very difficult to put on. But this would look pretty much like a normal Rubik's Cube if I edited my hand out of this shot. Let's try to do one J-perm on this. Finger tricks? That's... So far, I've tried 2 finger turns and they have both failed. Wow. Okay, this is what it feels like to try and turn the top layer. Your thumb can get in the way, the back finger can get in the way, and this finger may not be pushing on only one layer. So there's a lot of reasons why a turn might not be working. Oh, and also, the cube needs to be pretty well aligned for any of this to work at all. I guess finger turns are just kind of out of the question. They're possible, I'm just very bad at them. Oh my, this is very frustrating. There we go, that's a J-perm. All right, let's quickly check out corner cutting. So I can't even hold it. That's not gonna work. This much might work. Barely. And reverse corner cutting. Looks like there is no reverse corner cutting at all. Trash. Whoops. I'm going to try and do a timed solve, and my goal is to be doing it under 1 minute, because that way I have to get it to at least 1 turn per second, and that's pretty good. Where to go? I can't get the cube to... Okay, now it'll actually focus. I have a pretty easy scramble, so I better not blow this. Ready, set, go. Picking up the cube was actually kind of took longer than I thought. Oh no, I can't see anything. That wasn't the most move efficient. I don't even know if you guys can see what I'm doing. My hands are covering everything, and it is very small at the same time. But, you know, out here trying my best to save moves. It's not going great. I don't know if I'm on pace for sub 1 minute here. Oh, got a nice last pair. Wrist turns. I didn't cube early enough in like the years of cubing for wrist turns to ever be my dominant method of turning. So this is this is quite a challenge. Okay, no, end perm. I can't remember the short one. It's gonna be over a minute. And I can't do like any of the complicated ones without finger tricks. This sucks. Okay, at least an end perm includes a J perm. Wait, yeah, includes a J perm right here. I thought I just did it wrong for a moment. Wow, who would have thought like half the solve would have been the PLL? Oh wait, no. +2. So clearly 1 centimeter is not the right size for my hands, but would this be the right size for anybody's hands? See, the reason we have 56 and 54 millimeter cubes is because depending on your hand size, one of them may be more comfortable for you than the other one. I can't even turn anymore after using that cube. Now, if you're younger, it's more likely you'll have smaller hands, so 54mm may work better for you. But how young do you have to be for this to be the right size? Now, maybe this is the right size for babies, but actually the answer doesn't matter. That's because this cube is only for ages 12 and up, so if your hands are actually small, you're not allowed to use it for some reason. Ages 12 and up seems like a very harsh restriction for this because, like, what, are you gonna swallow it? That's what you do when you're 3. Even my dog, who is not 12 years old yet, knows that you're not supposed to eat this. Go, you can eat this. You can eat this, go. It's food, do you wanna eat it? Do you wanna eat it? It's food, come on. But then I realized he isn't even smart enough to solve it. I will check back with him when he turns 12. Speedcube Shop also sent me 2 more of these cubes. You know, same deal, but one's pink and one's blue. This is perfect. Now that I have 3, I can do what that kid did in that video that all of my relatives have been sending me for years because I'm the cubing guy in my family apparently, and everyone thinks that I probably haven't seen this yet and it would blow me away. Fine, I'll admit it. It's pretty cool. Now that I have 3 cubes the right size for me, I can do the same thing. Okay, I'll stick to regular speed solving. That's what I know best. Let's see if you can turn this one-handed. Okay, maybe not. Looks like I have 2 more attempts to try and get sub 1 minute before I decide to cry. Ugh, bad start already. Who would have guessed? This is impossible to turn. Getting sub 1 minute is impossible. Nope, not even close. I just need to do 1 turn per second. All right, final attempt. You know, sometimes you get a J-perm to end, and that's really all the success you can ask for. My fingers are wet. They literally put lube in this cube. I can't believe it. Wouldn't it be cool if you could like fill up a whole pool full of these, kind of like a ball pit? And before you tell me that these are a hard solid object that would pack together forming a very solid surface that if I tried to dive into, I would break my neck, you're probably right, but I can dream. That's about it for this video. This cube was sent to me from speedcubeshop.com, and if you want to get your own, then make sure you go there and use the discount code JPerm. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.